Okay, you'll go to nearpod.com. You will click Login. Then you want to sign in with your Google credentials. Ignore this. You're going to want to click this button. It'll pull your Rockbridge Candid credentials for Google. Select yourself, and that will bring you here. All right, so once you are on this screen, what you're going to do is you're going to click the blue Create button, and you're going to want to create a lesson. All right, and here, now this is the lesson we're going to make. It's not actually a lesson, it's just a presentation. But what you're going to do now is you're going to click this blue plus sign, and you're going to select this slides option. There's also a classic slides option. I'm not going to go over that. It's not very good. There aren't a lot of options. This one here is a lot better. So you're going to select that. All right. So this is the first slide of your presentation. It's pretty plain. So probably one of the first things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose a theme. They don't have a lot of themes to choose from, but the ones they do have are pretty nice. And you can always change the background and the text and all that stuff. So let's choose this one because I think it's nice. All right. So there is a theme that looks pretty good, and all of your slides, all your subsequent slides are going to look like this as well. All right, after you've chosen your theme, you might want to change the layout. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to, not shapes, but you're going to go to this option here in the toolbar. And everything you're going to need is going to be in this toolbar. So where it says layout, click that and choose a layout you like. I think I want a picture on one side and text on the other, so I'm going to choose this layout. If I want to type here, I can just type, this is about the sun, let's say. And then here are going to be some details. So what I want to do when I do details, I like to use bullets. So I'm going to select the bullet button here. And this is a detail about the sun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trash this text box because I don't need it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to over here where it says images. Search Google because they'll give you free images that you can use without infringing on anyone's copyrights. So I'm going to search for the word sun and hit the little magnifying glass, and look, there are a bunch of pictures of the sun. So let's choose this one. And then I'm going to click Save. And there's my picture of the sun. Oh, and it's animated. That's cool. It must be a GIF. So let's say that you're just not crazy about this pink background. So that's not hard to change. What you can do is go to this background button up here in the toolbar, and you can either change the color, which is pretty straightforward. Let's make it green. All right, that's not horrible. Probably want to change the color of the text. So I'll highlight the text, and then I'll go here and choose, let's make it red. There we go. Now that stands out. But let's say you don't want a color. Let's say you want an image. So go back to background. Instead of choosing background color, select background image. And this is similar to choosing an image to drop into the slide like I did there with the sun. So let's choose solar system background. How about this one here? Let's see if that one works. Yep, it sure did. See how nice that looks now? You can change your background into an image that easily. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple more things that you can do here. So let's say that you want to add a video. Again, it's in the toolbar. You'll click on this little camera, and you can search YouTube videos, or you can add a video from your Google Drive. So let's search for the sun. Maybe it's good. You probably want to preview a video before you put it in. When you get the crosshairs, you can drag the video and put it wherever you like. Again, if you don't want a YouTube video, you can always add a video from your Google Drive by clicking its logo. Another option is to add audio. You'll do that by going to the little speaker there in the toolbar. You can add music. You probably don't really want to do that. You may not have any music in your Drive folder, but you can record a voiceover. And here you would want to click Allow, and then you can record yourself doing a voiceover on your presentation. Let's say that you want more than one slide. Of course you do. So what you'll do is you will go over here, the bottom right, where it says Save and Add New. That will save this slide and then give you a new blank slide to work with. Click Save. And then here's a new slide, and you'll go through the same process. It saved the other slide. You can't see all the slides over here on the left like you can in Google, but it saved the other slide. When you're done with everything, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Save here, the bottom right. That will save your entire presentation, all the slides. See, now you see that there's more slides. And then before you share it with your teacher, go up here to Settings, click the little pen, give it a name. I'm going to call mine the sun. What grade you're in? Let's say I'm in 6th grade. And this is Language Arts. And then Submit. And now it will be saved and added to my library in Nearpod once I go down to the bottom and click Save and Exit. And there it is.